Volume mo ba yung Lex? Pasipa na. Dali na ka. Lex.
Mabuhay ang sumusulong at nagbubuklod na Ilagueño!
Mabuhay!
Greetings to our fellow brother knights of Columbus of Ilagan Council 3705, Santa Isabel Council 17412, St. Ferdinand College Council 8508, and the faithful brothers of Isabela Assembly ACN 1643. Our worthy District Deputy, Jesus S. Palatao. We also extend our warmest greetings to the SK Federation, Jugis Legio Draconis Incorporated, Order of Amaranth, DepEd, Free and Accepted Masons, Veterans, PNP, AFP, BFP, BJMP, and the local government unit of the city of Ilagan. In the heart of our beloved nation, the spirit of a true hero endures. Dr. Jose Rizal, a beacon of hope, a champion of truth, and a martyr for freedom, continues to inspire us. His unwavering patriotism, intellectual brilliance, and steadfast spirit light our path even today. Rizal once said, "The youth is the hope of our fatherland." As proud Ilagueños, we have the incredible opportunity to embody this hope. Under the theme, Rizal sa Bagong Pilipinas, Buhay at Aral, Aming Nilalandas, we can honor Rizal's legacy by actively participating in community service, supporting local initiatives, and embracing the cardinal virtues of the Knights of Columbus: charity, unity, fraternity, and patriotism. Today, we also pay tribute to our government leaders and educators. Your dedication and hard work shape the future of our nation. We look to you to lead with honesty, integrity, and a deep sense of patriotism, just as Rizal did. Dishonesty and corruption are shameful and have no place in Rizal's vision of the Philippines. Your role is crucial in guiding our youth and fostering a society rooted in truth and justice. As Knights of Columbus, we are called to live by the same noble virtues that inspired Rizal. We are called to charity, to extend a helping hand to those in need. We are called to unity, to foster harmony and understanding among our members and our community. We are called to fraternity, to strengthen the bonds of brotherhood and support one another. And we are called to patriotism, to love our country and strive to make it a better place for everyone. Now, picture this: a community where everyone lends a hand, where unity and understanding prevail, where brotherhood is strong, and where love for our country drives us to create a better future. This is not just a dream. It is within our reach. Now is the time to answer the call of chivalry. Join the Knights of Columbus and become part of brotherhood dedicated to service, family, and community. Together, we can uplift our community and build a stronger, more just, and more compassionate society. Let us not merely remember Rizal. Let us live by his example. Let his spirit ignite our passion for service and our commitment to making a difference. Thank you and God bless us all. Fraternally yours, Mark Angelo B. Cristobal, Knights of Columbus, Grand Knight Ilagan Council 3705, and Faithful Admiral of the Isabela Assembly, ACN 1643. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.
Maraming salamat po.